girlies been on me, okay? You guys wanted the details on my hair. I'm gonna insert some pictures. So I originally shot a tutorial on how I got my hair done in those curls, and because I'm about to also go shoot right now, I was like, let me add this clip to my YouTube video so you guys could see in real time how it comes out. And this is after a couple of days I've had this in, so I've been doing this like every single night, so it's like extra curly. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So I've been getting so much love on my hair. Like the girlies are obsessed. This is a new result that I got. Like, I still want it on the side. You know what I mean? And this is how I get it, y'all. This is what I do. Yeah, my baby boy is sleeping, so I'm about to go get this in real quick. And I literally only got 15 minutes, so let's go. All right, so my bob is at the point where it's like very dry. Not dry, but it's like not giving what I wanted to give. So I'm gonna attempt to give myself some curls. It's not gonna be perfect curls, but it's okay because I'm gonna use the overnight blowout rods. Blowout rods here, and I'm gonna put them in after I do my hair. I only have 3. I used to have 4. Found the next one. All right, so I got my 4 rods. I got a bald spot on my sides, postpartum hair loss, but it's okay. I'm not gonna think about it too long because I'm gonna start overthinking and I'm gonna start getting in my head. I'm going to actually do the front last. Everything in my body is fighting me filming this. I look so crazy, but I literally don't want to film this right now. Every time I don't film my hair, it comes out good. But when I film my hair, somehow I hate it. So I'm hoping that doesn't happen to me this time. I'm trusting the process and I'm filming regardless of how I'm feeling. I'm just a girl trying her best. Use the smaller one. Yeah, we should use the smaller one. I just want to give it a light curl because I am going to use the rod. That's not what I was trying to do. Me trying to curl my hair is always a disaster. Okay, I think I'm going to use this one. This one's so much better. But some way, somehow, when I put them overnight rods in them, it be doing something. I'm gonna insert a picture so y'all can see what I'm talking about. I just haven't done this to my hair when it was this length. When I did these curls before with the overnight rods, it was with my my shorter bob. So this is my first time doing it with my bob being this long. Yeah, we gonna try things out together. At the end of the day, I got myself to blame. These curls are looking so crazy, but I promise y'all, you just gotta trust the process. Let y'all see what it's looking like. Now we got the front. The front might be a little better, might be a little easier to do, but that's just my guess. All right, y'all, this is what I got. I'm going to put in the overnight rods now. I feel like if I mess this up, not mess it up, but like play with it a little bit, like it will be cute. Like, it's giving full, it's giving body, it's giving, is that all her hair or not? Cause honey, honey. Alright, I forgot the most important step. Putting my oil all over the hair. I'm gonna take the front. Alright. Got my comb. I'm gonna comb that out. You get your rod. Go under. And then you roll. And then you're gonna, all right, there we go. Clip, that's the first one. Second one is that you take from the ear all the way up, like so. All right, y'all, this is a workout, so make sure you have a lot of arm strength ready. You're gonna go like so, and you're gonna roll that on back. Gonna clip. Ooh. Clip it. Your back too. So you're gonna just put that in half, like so. And then you get your rod. You're just gonna go in, fold that back. Then you got your back piece going underneath. And you roll as much as you can. And then you're gonna clip. So I'm just gonna use some castor oil. And I'm just gonna put it on my bald spot. Which is right there. So hopefully I can keep consistently doing this for the next few weeks and my hair is gonna grow back. Most important step, when you're finished, go in with your spray. So I have 3 sprays that I can use. I have this light hold spray by Aveda. I have a thermal textured heat texture spray from Hot Tools. And I have a dry spun texture spray, Big Instant Volume and Lift Texture that holds all day by BB. Start with the BB. It is. If you haven't tried this, give it a go. It smells good. Hopefully I remember to film when I take it down, but stay tuned for the results. All right, y'all, I remember to film, but I'm trying to beat the sunset so I can get some photos done outside. Moment of truth, let's take the hair out. Okay. Ooh. Oh, she is giving. I am pleased with this. The side always eats. She ate.